Hey friends, James here from Sweet Pea Machine Embroidery, and I'm back with a brand new Kiss Sew Along tutorial video. This month I'll be showing you the stitch out of the beautiful Keepsake hanger. I'll leave a link in the description of this video to find the August Kiss Facebook group. You can find a 30% discount code on this beautiful hanger and also all the rules and details for the monthly Kiss competition. To ensure a smooth experience while watching this video tutorial, I highly recommend you follow our photograph written instructions provided in your design purchase. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Enjoy the video. To start on your first Keepsake panel, place a couple of layers of soluble stabilizer in the hoop. The soluble stabilizer will provide a stable base for your embroidery and will dissolve later. Begin stitching by embroidering the place and line for the batting. This will help you position the batting correctly. Now place batting 1 on top of the hoop and stitch it down. Now carefully remove the hoop from your machine and using sharp scissors trim the excess batting and stiffener, leaving about 1 to 2 millimeters of material around the stitching. Now position fabric A on top of the hoop, covering all the previous stitching and stitch it down. Do not trim any of the excess fabric just yet. Continue with the embroidery process and embroider the quilting pattern on the background of the panel. And the leaf motif as per your design. Proceed to embroider the first set of flowers at the top left and bottom right corners of the hoop. After that, embroider the second set of flowers in the same positions. Embroider the placement lines for the ribbon at the top and bottom edges of the hoop. These lines will guide you in placing the ribbon correctly. Now take your ribbon and lay it over the top placement line, ensuring that the raw edge of the ribbon faces the top of the hoop and crosses the placement line by about 1/4 inch. Then tape the ribbon in place to keep it secure during stitching, and then stitch it down along the placement line. Hold the ribbon taut and place the other raw edge over the bottom placement line. Stitch it down to secure the other end of the ribbon as well. Once both ends are secure, trim any excess ribbon. Now flip the hoop over so the wrong side faces up. Now, place fabric B on top, covering all the previous stitching, and tape it in place to keep it steady during stitching. Return the hoop to the machine and stitch fabric B in place. This step will complete the front side of your ribbon panel. After removing the hoop from the machine, carefully trim any excess fabric from both fabric A and fabric B, leaving about 1 to 2 millimeters around the stitching. Now return the hoop to the machine one last time to stitch the satin stitch around the entire panel, Make sure to match your bobbin thread with the top thread for a neat finish. Finally, remove your finished panel from the hoop. If you use wash away stabilizer, you can now trim any excess stabilizer and dissolve the soluble stabilizer in water. Place the panel in a bowl or tub of water. Soak the panel until it does not feel sticky anymore and then allow to dry. Your ribbon panel is now complete, and you can set it aside until all your panels for the Keepsake project are finished. For the photo panel, follow the exact same steps used for the first 13 steps of the ribbon panel. Once you've completed the initial steps, it's time to embroider the placement lines for the photos at the top and bottom of the hoop. These lines will guide you in positioning the photos correctly. Place one piece of fabric B on top of the placement line at the top of the hoop and stitch it down. Now, repeat the same process for the other photo, using the other piece of fabric B. After both photos are securely in place, embroider the satin stitch around each of the photos. Just like with the ribbon panel, flip the hoop over so that the wrong side faces up. Position fabric C on top, covering all the previous stitching, and tape it in place. Return the hoop to the machine and stitch fabric C in place, securing it to the panel. After removing the hoop from the machine, carefully trim any excess fabric from both fabric A and fabric C, leaving about 1 to 2 millimeters around the stitching. Finally, return the hoop to the machine one last time to stitch the satin stitch around the entire panel, matching your bobbin thread with the top thread. Now remove your finished photo panel from the hoop. If you use wash away stabilizer, you can now trim away any excess stabilizer. And dissolve the soluble stabilizer in water. Place your panel in a bowl or tub of water. Soak the panel until it does not feel sticky anymore and then allow to dry. Once you've completed the rest of your panels, you are ready to assemble and finish your Keepsake project. Connecting the panels together is a creative choice that allows you to add your personal touch to the Keepsake project. You have the freedom to choose how you want to connect the panels, whether it's using decorative ribbons, jump rings, or any other method that suits your vision and style. Adding photos to the ribbon is a wonderful way to personalize your keepsake project and make it truly special to you. You have the creative freedom to choose how and where you want to attach the photos, allowing you to create a unique and sentimental display. Now, with your photos beautifully added to the ribbon, your keepsake hanger is finished. Congratulations on creating a truly special and meaningful keepsake that showcases your cherished moments. Display it proudly on a wall, door, or decorative stand, and let it be a constant reminder of the precious moments captured within. Your crafting journey has led you to a unique and heartfelt creation that you can cherish for years to come. Well done. Shop this design and others just like it at sweepy.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.